everyone, and good afternoon. First of all, before starting this session, I would like to wish our beloved friend Mr. Kamalesh, as today is his birthday, many more happy returns of the day. Kamalesh.
Hey Shriya, it's not my birthday, Shriya.
Hey, it's your birthday, Kamalesh. Once check your calendar or once check your Instagram.
Just a second.
So that only you are a big fool. Today is World's Fool's Day, so we made you a okay. There's nothing more to laugh also because as we all know, you are a big fool. That's common. Yeah, and now I would like to introduce our beloved co-partners, Mr. Kamalesh, Mr. Pawan, and Miss Rishita. And we all are here like to say what is how to cool our earth, how to make the nature green. Yes, as today is a Fool's Day, I don't know what is the mystery behind the Fool's Day. Like from many days onwards, not from many days also, from childhood onwards, I used to think, what is the main thing behind the celebrating World's Fool's Day? Do you people, any of you people know that? What is the reason behind that?
Yes, Riya, I'll let you know this. Okay. Some historians speculate that April Fool's Day dates back to 1582, when France switched from the Julian calendar to the Gregorian calendar, as called for the Council of Trent in 1503 in the Julian calendar. As in the Hindu calendar, the new year began with the spring equinox around April 1st. People who were slow to get the news or failed to recognize the start of New Year had moved to January 1st and continued to celebrate it during the last week of March through April 1st, became the butt of jokes and hoaxes and were called April Fools. These pranks included having paper fish placed on their backs and being referred to as poisonous devil, and being said to symbolize a young, easily caught fish and a gullible person. It is celebrated for several centuries by different countries. April Fool's Day tradition include playing pranks, jokes, and all, but its exact origins remains a mystery. Hey, Shreya, you are not audible.
Okay, that's a nice information from you, Rishita. Yeah, at last, what I understood is the world's Fool's Day is just a mystery. There's nothing to there's nothing about like history. Yeah, that's okay. But as this is summer, we are feeling so much of tiredness. As this summer, you people know what is summer? What are the specialities of summer? What can you people say a few words about summer?
Yes, Shreya, can we have a poll now?
Yeah, sure. Before starting that, we'll just have a poll. Hey people, we just posted a poll. You can just vote that. Yeah, that's okay, fine. Yes, now come. Yes, okay, now coming to the session, we know that summer is very hot and it is very horrible to resist as it reaches 40 degrees in our area. And so you people know how to like keep ourselves cool in summer? Do anyone know? Ishita, do you know anything
Yeah.
about that?
Yeah, no.
You don't know. Okay, just say any precautions
Hello.
how to make ourselves cool.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible now.
Yeah. Let me know you, Shreya. The hot climatic conditions between the month of March to June is summer season. Summer
Yeah, okay. We will have another poll also. I hope many people they may answer this.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, summer is so driest season. The temperature becomes so high in summer months. Start from the water starts evaporates very quickly, and in summer daytime is so longer and nighttime is so shorter. The extreme heat also affects our body and brain. The heat from the sun reacts with the atmospheric gases and causes ozone layer depletion. So ultraviolet rays directly reach our skin and causes skin burns, skin cancer, etc. And increase of body temperature causes many diseases like sweating.
I think he got any network issue.
Yeah.
Yes, people we will.
Yeah, but many people doesn't like summer due to corona maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we during summer we always go to
Yeah.
swimming and surfing, but these days due to corona we are unable to go. We are
In-
unable to enjoy all these things, right?
Yeah,
People
yeah.
are correct. Yes, Rishita, could you say a few tips to make ourselves
No.
cool?
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
In moist environment,
Yes,
summer
Rishita.
heat, the growth of some bacteria and viruses create the chance of spreading diseases. Apart from all this, the summer is interesting time for farmers. They will monitoring their crops for weed control, fertilizer needs, or other pest management practices. They also remove the weed and weed plants in their fields, and they give these weed plants to animals as feed during the summer season. And also, farmers prepare their land for cultivation and
Oh, network issue maybe. Okay, then we'll continue.
He just joined.
Yeah.
and grow some crops like chili, paddy, and brinjal, etc. And it is the best season for fresh fruits and vegetables like watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, bottle gourd, etc. And it is the time for flowers to blossom. Summer is very important for plants because it is a perfect condition for photosynthesis, and we can see the beautiful butterflies and animals filled with glory. And animals also come out of their hibernations and enjoy themselves. I would like to pass the session to Kamalesh.
Yeah. Yeah, Pawan. I would like to talk how our ancestors survived their life in this summer. Nowadays, it's hard to imagine our life without your air conditioner. Just imagine how our ancestors survived their life in ancient days. Let me share a few techniques they used to in ancient days. Here, I'm going to explain a few time-tested techniques of our ancestors. They had lived underground. Underground means building underground caves kept temperature at cool about 50 degrees, both in summer and as usual winter. Many early civilians also built homes under earth as well. These homes were fit dug into the ground. They were split level. Homes built in hillsides with spacious basements. They stayed much cooler than the rest of the homes. They used to build their homes like thick stone material like adobe and brick. These hard materials are unable to heat quickly, so it is so they are able to cool air. In many homes were built out of bricks in 17th century and 18th century to combat the heat, as the heavier materials were known to drafty and cool. Another thing, planting trees. These are the easiest way to combat the summer while having built under shade. All the homes awareness had to plant large trees on the east and the west sides of the home to block off summer sun before it has to change the warmth the home's interior. The trees also called down breezes before the entire porch area. Over to you, Rishi.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Can anyone say
that's nice knowing about some
the precautions what we have to take in summer to become ourselves cool?
yeah, Pawan, I'll let you know. Yeah, main problem we face in summer is dehydration. So we have to take adequate water. For every 20 minutes, we have to take water. It's a main thing we have to do. And mainly we have to avoid caffeine. Caffeine aid in pulling water from our system, and it leads to dehydration. And when we go out, we have to cover up ourselves in light cut clothes and relax in out. Like, don't go out. Please stay inside in peak afternoon times. And we may face many diseases too, like sunburns, heat stroke. And to prevent this, we have to apply some sunscreens and apply some prickly powders. So it avoids all these diseases. You can use sunglasses too when we go out. And excessive heat in summer, it spoils food quickly. To prevent risk of poisoning, please keep your leftover food in the refrigerator. And food must be well cooked before. Ensure that it doesn't get spoiled. Due to contaminated food and unsafe drinking habits, it leads to diarrhea. Wash vegetables thoroughly before and after slicing them. We may also get many skin rashes. So take frequent bath. It is better if we use neem water. It reduces many skin diseases, and it is also a very good antibiotic for the skin. And have fruits which is rich in water to overcome these summer heat. You can have watermelons, oranges, muskmelon. It is very much hydrated fruits. You can also have sherbet like lemonades, and we can have sherbet with sabjas instead of having Coca-Colas and some chilled water, because chilled water and ice creams, it makes us temporarily cool, but when it enters into our body, it produces much heat in our body. So it is not advisable to have much ice creams and chilled water.
Yeah, that's nice knowing.
Yeah, these are some
like
precautions we
sherbet
have to
and
take in
I also
summer.
like coconut water, all these things. Yeah. You don't tempt me.
Hello guys.
I really want to have all those things right now. Yeah. Whatever you told is only about humans, right? We, the humans, can always keep cool, as we know. We have few senses, so that
Hello.
we can keep ourselves cool. So what about the environment? What about
Yeah.
wildlife?
Yeah, I'm passing this session to Shreya, but she's not there.
Yeah. Like whenever we
Hello.
step outside our home and we guarantee.
Yeah, Rishi.
Yeah, Kamlesh. Yeah.
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah, whenever we step outside your home and we guarantee you won't be far from a tree unless you live in the desert, of
Hey,
course. From pine and oak to
I
willow
think
and
they
ash.
have some internet issues right now.
Audible?
Yeah, Shreya, you are audible.
Yeah. So like from pine and oak to willow and ash, we are surrounded by a huge variety of different types of them. And while they are all pretty and wonderful to
Hello.
look at, their importance stems far beyond beauty.
Hey, Rishi.
There are few
I'm
things.
audible.
The environment.
You are audible, Rishi.
Yeah, I'm passing this session over to Shreya.
Yeah.
I'm already speaking, right? Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, Shreya.
Yeah, fine. Like how it affects the environment. Trees help to combat global warming by absorbing the carbon dioxide which is present in the atmosphere, and also removing and storing carbon while releasing oxygen back into the air. They also reduce wind speeds and cool the air as they lose temperature and the moisture and reflect heat upwards from their leaves. It's estimated that trees can reduce the temperature in a city by up to 7 degrees. Oh my god, now it is 40 degrees here. As it reduces 7 degrees, like nearly 7 degrees, we can, it will be cool somewhat. And also other environmental benefits also include the fact that help to prevent flooding and soil erosion by absorbing thousands of liters of storm water. Not only like the environment, it also affects our wildlife, like in the way of from birds and insects to bats and squirrels. Trees provide a canopy and an inhabitant for many species of wildlife. But they don't just act as a home for wildlife, the fruits from trees provide food for them too. Now, Pawan will continue regarding the wildlife and the community systems.
Hey, Pawan, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. I'll continue. Yes, yeah. Yeah, our trees are help to improve our air quality by intercepting and trapping dust and other pollutants from the air. The shade of trees also provides a useful protective barriers from harmful ultraviolet radiation coming from the sun. And it is not just for physical and health, but it is to benefits to mental too. And spending time with trees in nature reduces the stress and depression levels in our body. And when we go to our community, the trees can bring people together. They act as a landmark within the neighborhood and encourage pride amongst the people within the community. Trees and woodlands areas can be used to bring people together for freedom, for education purposes. They also allow for activities such as walking, cycling, bird watching. In addition, children some are playing too and feel a sense of adventurous. You know that nearly 900 billions of trees are cutting down per annually. So we have to reduce the cutting trees. I would like to pass the session to Shreya.
Yeah, like this, we can see our environment and all the benefits about all the benefits we spoke. Then, what about the main cause of the pollution? From where is this pollution starting from? Trishita, do you know anything about this?
Yeah. People are planting trees, and moreover, they are cutting the trees more than they are planting, and they have started increasing the number of industries there. So industries are releasing lot of wastages, which is very much harmful to the nature. They are not treating the wastage and releasing out to the roads, in the drainage, and to the rivers and lakes. It is very much harmful to the creatures in the water. So to avoid those things, they should treat the wastage first by using EDT machineries, so that they separate the chemical wastage and they release the water into the ground. When they introduce the water into the ground, it is very much helpful for the fields and the nearby trees, and it increases also groundwater. It increases the groundwater. It's very much beneficial. But nowadays, people are not doing that due to the cost. They are releasing their wastage on the road. It is very much wrong. So people should avoid that. And they are burning lot of trees, wastage, plastic waste, chemical waste, which is not very much good. And the gases released from that burn is very much dangerous, and it causes many diseases. Air pollution, we can get asthma. It affects the people living there. So people should stop doing that. And vehicles, 24/7, anyone will be using vehicles. So from vehicles, lot of pollution will be coming. So pollution department should take preventive measures. They have to check the pollution level of vehicles, industries. They should frequently inquire, and they should start checking the pollution levels in the environment and take preventive cares. So a pollution certificate of vehicle should be renewable for every 5 years, and we should check a condition of a vehicle. It is our responsibility to save our nature, environment. It is for us. So we
Yes,
have to
Rishita.
Yeah,
take
you are
preventive
correct,
measures
Rishita. We
and
agree with you,
be in a good
Rishita.
condition.
Yes, Rishita, you have given nice information. We hope our government has implementing good. Its implementing is good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
I
Yes.
think so. Yeah, it's implementing. Now we will have a poll. Just everyone answer this. Like I just want to know what are the activities you would like to do mostly in summer.
Yeah. How many are responding in the poll?
Most of the people are responding.
Oh.
Yeah.
Let me. Most of the
Everyone
people.
likes swimming.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I hope so.
Let them.
Most
Yeah.
no. So like picnic.
Yeah.
Like everyone are
Picnic.
interested in picnic. They can go to mountains.
Yeah. Even I too enjoy picnic
Yeah. This corona
Yeah,
because of this
wasted all our
pandemic
plans.
situation.
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah. So and
We can't even
also
go for swimming pools.
Yeah. Yes.
yeah, because due to this corona we can go. As we know that nature provides us with many things, we can also think that nature gives us many medicinal things also, right?
Can you explain, Shreya, about some medicinal plants?
Yes, sure. If I say this thing, you people never you people won't believe this. A plant, like it's not a plant; it's a weed, which we like we can see on the roadsides also. The plant name is Stridex procumbens. Obviously, we many people were not aware of the name, but if we see that plant, we will surely identify. Oh, this plant, we know this plant. Yeah, like that. But coming to the Stridex procumbens, it is commonly known as cold buttons or Stridex daisy. It is a species of flowering plant in the daisy family. Like it is just widely spread as a weed, and it is a weed plant. It is a pest plant. It is native to the tropical Americans, but it has been introduced to the pinal and subtropical and mild temperature regions worldwide. The main thing, I want to say a small thing. The main thing about this is if you take the leaves of the Stridex procumbens and wherever we have a wound or else blood flow is there, if you squeeze that leaves of this Stridex procumbens and if you apply, it will cure very fast. The main thing about this. And also we have many plants also. Another plant Kamalesh is going to say about that.
Yes, Riya. I want to talk about Hemidismus indicus. It is an Indian sarsaparilla. It is a species of a plant which was found in South Asia. It is a slender, lactiferous tuning. Sometimes it is frosted and semi-extract sharp. Roots are woody and aromatic. The stem is numerous, slender, red, thick and soft notes. Hemidismus indicus is used to make beverages and also it is used in traditional medicines. Most of the Ayurvedic medicines are also used.
Yeah, that's. I
Yes, yes.
think you are speaking about sherbat plant only, right? Yeah, I know. I heard
Yeah,
somewhere
yeah,
about this. Can we discuss in? Yeah. See how I guessed it.
yeah.
Yeah, we know that sherbat, which cools our body. We also drink it. Its taste is also very nice, and we feel it. And now I would like to show a few videos. I would like to show you a
Yes,
video,
Shreya.
and in that we can see all our students who are so responsible about the nature. They already posted and they already started planting trees near their houses and near their areas. Now let's check out the video. Rishita, could you start the video?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's not there here.
Yeah, okay, fine, let me
It's not. Yeah.
Kamalesh, is it with you?
Not with me. I think it is with you. Yes, Riya? Am I audible?
Yeah, you are on.
Yeah, that was amazing. Thank you, friends, for
Yeah,
being
that was
responsible
really
towards nature.
really
But
great
Canadians
job. That was
always
a really
responsible.
wonderful job.
Yeah, everyone
Yeah,
supported us.
we the people
And I
of
hope
CITians,
everyone plants
we the
tree. Yeah.
we the students of CIT really did a very good job. Before the event only, you people planted the trees. That was really amazing, and I hope everyone will do this thing at least from right now. Few people
Yeah.
will be there. They will wait till March 31st to plant trees, because as April 1st is celebrated as a cool
Cool.
day.
Yeah,
Guys,
let's
please don't
plant
wait
full
till March
full tree.
31st.
Full
You
plant.
people can start planting right from now itself.
Yeah, yeah. We hope everyone plants full
Yeah,
plant.
okay. Now I would. Okay, now I'd like to show a presentation also. Kamalesh, could you show the presentation?
Just a second, Riya. I think it was not with me. Yes, Riya, I think it was with you. Hello? Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, let me show you the presentation.
Okay.
Yeah, I hope the presentation is visible to everyone.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Now, like coming to nature, it is a slogan like nature, steady nature, love nature, stay close to nature. As we all know that staying close to nature makes it teaches us many things, and it will also never fail you. And next, trees. Oh no, as in the summer, trees are really helpful for us as trees provide with cool shade and they also provide us with more oxygen percentage also.
Yeah,
And
it is
next,
also called lungs of the earth.
yeah, now
Yes.
let us see an overview of the trees present in our campus. You know, there are 1083 trees. I think none of you counted that, right? So now
Yes,
let's see
yes,
an overview
Shreya.
of the. Yeah. Yeah, our campus consists of more than 360 varieties of species with 1083 number of trees. Now let us see what. Now let us see the list of the. Yeah, there are different species of trees present in our campus. This is the list like royal palm, mango trees. There are many things, and here is the name of the species and like a number of the
Yeah, but
trees
even
also
we don't
are
know that.
mentioned. Yeah, we don't know. So that only we are creating awareness, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
here are the other species of trees with the number of trees. Next. And next, we also have jamun tree and we also have rubber tree. I think orange flower tree also we have. I think we never saw,
Never thought
but it
these
is
many
there in
trees
our
will be
campus
present.
itself.
Yeah, we were
Yeah,
there,
yeah,
but we didn't observe these.
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we have more than 1080. We have 1083 trees. And now coming to the bamboo tree, we have 550 plus trees, bamboo trees in our campus. And as we know that bamboo tree provides us with more oxygen, it purifies the oxygen so much. So here it is mentioned that it plants reduce up to 35% of carbon dioxide in the climate. Wow, we know only bamboo for eating purpose and just for mine some domestic purposes, but
Yes.
we don't know that bamboo we use for like oxygen purpose. It is very helpful and
Yeah,
it is very friendly to
it
our
protects us
environment
from
also.
ultraviolet rays. Yeah,
Yes,
Yes.
obviously.
the
Yes.
main thing.
And next, coming to one bamboo tree observes, I just told it observes, but I didn't told you the exact number, right? One bamboo tree absorbs an average carbon dioxide of 20 kg per year. So as we have around 600 trees in our campus, the carbon dioxide absorbed is around 12 ton per year. We never imagined that, right?
Yeah, really.
Yeah,
Next, coming to the gooseberry, Indian gooseberries, we know like gooseberries are very rare, but we have one tree in our campus also. If you come to the campus, you can see the gooseberry tree
yeah,
also. This
yeah. I
gooseberry
didn't
tree.
observe it. I would like to observe that
Yeah, that's nice.
next
This
time.
gooseberry trees has many like Ayurvedic properties. Also, it is used in medical properties. It reduces high cholesterol and fats in our blood. Also, it is very useful. And next, so as a result, I would like to present that. I would like to say that um, we have 1083 trees in our campus, which absorbs nearly 20 ton per year, 20 ton of carbon dioxide per year. Oh my God, that's a very huge number, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So what I would like to say is, so guys, let's inculcate a small thing. It's just a three-word of thing. Man planting plants. I think you people never
Thanks.
heard this term before, but the man planting plant. It's very nice to hear, right? Yeah. It's like we the humans are planting a plant. Wow.
Nice.
And next, April is for fools. Obviously, no. April is not only for fools.
Yeah,
Let's
we
make
are
it,
not fools.
but the Kamalesh is a big fool,
You just turned it full.
Yeah, guys, not only making April as fool, we'll together make it. Together, we'll make this April cool. Let's plant trees.
Cool.
Let's save the nature. Let's turn our planet into cool. Here are few images of our classmates
Our
planting
co-friends.
trees. Yeah.
Please.
And next, thank you so much for seeing this PPT also. Yes, and next coming to, I would like to say a few things. As it be like boring also, but I would like to say how to save the trees. What are the benefits while say as we save the trees also? It's like we know that save trees is a slogan used to motivate people to protect trees in their areas. Not only in their areas, in our houses also, we plant small plant saplings also. Like trees are very important to us, just like food and water are for life. No trees on earth will lead to no life on earth. And saving trees is very important to us. Guys, everyone remember that saving trees is very important not only for trees, but it is also for ourselves as it gives the valuable oxygen.
Yeah,
Trees gives
we have
us
to
life by
balance.
giving us.
Have to start planting
Yeah, we have to
trees.
balance. Yeah. Trees give us life by giving us oxygen and absorbing carbon dioxide. Whatever the waste we produce, like using all this electricity things, we produce carbon dioxide. That entire carbon dioxide is absorbed by the trees, and it in return gives us the oxygen, which is very essential for human beings. Yeah. How great are plants and trees,
Yeah. Nowadays, forests are being cut, so animals are also coming out. It is very much dangerous for us also.
Yeah.
Also.
Yeah.
Trees also help. And trees also help to have better rainfall and prevent soil erosion against floods. These days we are having rainfall very less. All these are due to because of cutting of trees, deforestation. So I hope we are because of the soil erosion. Also, we are getting some floods. Cutting of trees causes so much of some bad impacts on our human livelihood itself. And also trees also gives us woods, medicine, habitat to birds, and shelter to animals also. They also contain a whole ecosystem within them and support various forms of life. Not only we, the human beings, need the trees from insects, small insects, from lizards, all cockroaches, everything from up to big animals. They need this forest, everything. They need trees because they are only the main source. They also contain a whole ecosystem within them and support various forms of life, as we all know that. Save Trees campaign spreads awareness regarding the importance of trees in our life. As this is also a small thing of creating awareness between all of you people, among you people. So I hope huge number of people gather together, not like gathering together. It's like they should support the Save Trees campaign, and my sincere request is to
Yeah.
people to plant trees in your surroundings wherever it is possible and wherever it is legal to plant the trees. You people can plant the trees.
Yeah, sure, Shreya, we will plant.
Not
We are
only
starting
planting one tree and cutting 10 trees, we have to plant tree and should not cut any other tree. Nowadays,
Yeah.
people are planting one tree and cutting all the 10 trees. It's not
Yeah,
fair.
And also, I would like to say another
And we
thing
have to
also.
maintain it.
Yeah, we have to maintain. We should plant the trees daily. Guys, planting
Not only
trees
we, the
is not only
humans,
for our
animals, and
present.
all also they want.
Yeah, people, planting trees is not only for our present times or else like for a few days, but planting trees is for our future. Man planting plant. So as you can see, humans, animals, and the environment depend upon trees for survival. Therefore, as deforestation continues, we must put back what we are taking. As we know, we are cutting the trees, we should keep it away, right? So as we are cutting the trees, no, not cutting, as we already cut the trees. So now we should give back the things what we took, right? So that by planting more trees, it will contribute to global reforestation. Guys, it is reforestation. Yeah, it's deforestation efforts through which we can restore the lost forests, and we can also repair the damaged ecosystems and mitigating climatic changes. As these days, before my father and my grandparents' time, there used to be the temperature is near about 30 and 35 degrees. It because of the trees and plants present. But nowadays, because of this deforestation, we lost all our trees, and the climatic changes are so much. We don't know that at what season the rain will come, at what season it will be like hot also.
Yeah,
It's
nature
really
is
so much.
imbalanced.
Yeah, the ecosystem is totally imbalanced regarding this.
Yeah,
Okay.
Due to heavy industry and pollution.
yeah. Usage of vehicles too. Yeah, we
Yeah,
better use electrical vehicles. It is available now.
electrical and
Yeah,
CNG.
I'm also using that.
Yeah, even me.
Yeah. So,
I
guys,
think Rishi is using battery, right?
Yeah. See, I'm
yeah, electric
contributing.
me too. Not only like this, as now the petrol rates and the diesel rates, everything was so high. I hope in future it will become much more high, so that instead of all this petroleum goods, we can shift to eco-friendly goods also, so that we can make our like a globe and our planet so cool also. And at last, I would like to say only a few things, only one thing, not few things also, only one thing I would like to say. Plant more trees, and plant more trees, and save the nature
Plant
and
more trees
save
and
our
don't
planet.
cut trees. Many.
Yeah. Plant more trees and don't cut the trees also. By planting the trees, it's only for our sake. It's only for our sake, so that keep your surrounding clean and green.
Yeah, make planet green again.
Yeah. As we plan more, we can gain more also. And now I would request Pawan to give the vote of thanks.
Pawan,
Pawan is
are
not
you there?
available.
Yeah, yeah.
I think Pawan got any network issue.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Let me continue with the vote of thanks also. Guys, I would like to thank our management for giving us such a wonderful opportunity for expressing our views and sharing with everyone. And thanks to our chairman, sir, principal, sir, HOD, sir, and my special thanks to Mr. Senthil Kumar, sir, for guiding us and to making this event successful. And my gratitude to all the co-hosts, starting from Kamalesh, Rishita, Pawan. If you would not have coordinated this, would not have been successful. And I would like to thank all the participants for taking part in taking part in our polls, and showing interest in our talks. And thank you, and once again thank you everyone. Thank you all.
Thank you all.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
And don't forget to plant a tree.
Yes, bye bye.
Plant it.